Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Nicodemus, and today we're going to do the game called Hill Climb Racing. Now, we're going to do it a little differently. We're not using GameCIH for this one. What we are going to use is my favorite my favorite rooted Android program called ROM Toolbox, and I have the Pro version. I definitely try to support the developers. I mean, this is an amazing program. Let me go back so you can see what I did there. Okay, you open up ROM Toolbox and you go to the root browser. Now we go to the, excuse me, I fat fingered that, the data directory, and click on data again. Now we're going to go down and find the folder that holds Hill Climb. It is com.fingersoft.hillclimb. You click on that. User default, you hold open with. This may not be there when you first do it. Go open as text file. RB text editor is what I use, and that's not the file I was looking for. But you see right here, if it is a file you can that you're trying to edit, there you go. You can edit it right here. Save it. Excuse me for the bad camera angle. And you can save it up here. Alright, now let's find the right file. I think it's under Shared Preferences. Hill Climb Preferences. Open with. Text editor. Okay. Now, right here, stage selection. Arctic high score. Alien planet level. Ad free. Value 0. So if you want this to be ad free, you would just change that 0 variable to a 1. And you're done. Now let's back out of that. Okay, so you can see what else you can do. Excuse me. So rally car unlocked, you could change that to 1. Anything that says whatever unlocked and it says 0, obviously, because it's not. The 0 means false, so 1 would mean true. Tires, sound on, true. Jeep all-wheel drive, true. Monster suspension, true. I had went through actually and already set a lot of these, so actually coin value 9,600, change that 500 million if you want. You can set your high scores for certain levels, so pretty simple. I mean, just be careful. I suggest, if you've never done anything like this, I suggest that you take this file. Here, let's save this. I'll show you what to do. First thing, before you even edit it, just to be safe, hold that down and go copy, and then we'll back out of this here. And, well, that'll make it easier. You could leave it in that same folder. Right here, just paste it. Okay, Hill Climb Preferences XML. Now that's your copy of the original. So if something happens here in Shared Preferences and you screw this up and it's not loading, you just take the original one and put it back there. Now you can do the same thing with other stuff. Rate counter 5. Now this is an ad manager settings. I assume that that has something to do with how often ads pop up or something like that. But in the other XML file, if you turn the ads off, this wouldn't matter anyway. But I suggest you go through your games. There's not many games that you can edit so easily like this.